Are you an owner of a business and you're still sending messages to all your new leads being generated for your business manually? Then this automation is just for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp message to IndiaMART leads inquiries for metal and alloys business. So I'm an owner of a metal and alloys business and I receive a lot of inquiries and leads for my business with the help of IndiaMART. Here what I want is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new inquiry for my business with the help of IndiaMART, automatically towards the client who have generated the inquiry, I want to send a WhatsApp message. Now sending these WhatsApp messages manually is very time consuming. So what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing automation and integration software. And here in this automation what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei. As with the help of WhatsApp by AI Sensei, I have created a message template with the help of which I will be forwarding messages to my leads. If you want, you can use Vati Interact to create your own message template. If you want to learn about this amazing automation process step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we're going to learn how to send WhatsApp message on IndiaMART leads inquiries for metals, alloys and materials business. So as an owner of a metals and alloys business, I rely on IndiaMART to connect with my potential clients interested in my products. And WhatsApp is an ideal channel to reach out to my leads quickly and build a direct connection with them. However, manually responding to each lead that is generated is time consuming and can lead to missed opportunities. So to solve this, I have set up an automation that streamlines this entire process. So now whenever a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically towards the lead a WhatsApp message is going to be forwarded. This automation helps me respond quickly and improve engagement with potential clients and increase the chances of turning inquiries into business opportunities. And I will be creating this amazing automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So on the screen, you can see the website of Pabbly Connect, that is pabbly.com/connect. After browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly Connect account. But if you're a new user, you can sign up for free and get 100 free tasks every month. But as I'm an existing user, I'm going to sign into my Pabbly Connect account. After signing in, you can see the All Pabbly apps window in front of you, in which you can see all the applications of Pabbly, from which we are going to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Connect's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. In order to start an automation process in Pabbly Connect, we need to create a workflow. For that, click on this top right corner button right over here that says Create Workflow. A dialog box is then going to appear in front of you, which is asking for the workflow name and for us to select a folder. So with the name of my workflow over here, I'm going to give it as Send WhatsApp Message on IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Metals, Alloys and Materials Business. So this is the name that I want to give to my workflow. After that, it is asking for us to select a folder. So on the left side of my screen, you can see I've created multiple folders in my Pabbly Connect account, from which I'm going to select a specific folder in which I want to save this workflow in. For that, click on this drop down. So these are the folders from which I'm going to select IndiaMART Automations as the folder I want to save this workflow in. After giving the name to the workflow and selecting the folder, I'm going to click on this Create button in order to create a workflow. A workflow is created in the name of Send WhatsApp Message to IndiaMART Leads Inquiries for Metals, Alloys and Materials Business. And over here you can see there are two windows in front of you. One says Trigger, other says Action. So what is Trigger and Action? Trigger and Action are the two most important steps of our automation process because our process depends on these two principles. Over here Trigger says when this happens and Action says do this. That means our action, what is it? It's in response towards our trigger. In an automation process, there can be only one trigger step but multiple action steps. We're going to set up our trigger step first. And for the trigger application, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select it as IndiaMART. As with the help of IndiaMART, I'm receiving a lot of leads and inquiries for my business. Here what I want is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated by the potential clients with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response of that. That is why for the trigger application, I'm going to select it as IndiaMART. And for the trigger event, I'm going to select it as new leads. Okay. After selecting the trigger application and the event, you can see that Pabbly Connect has provided us with a webhook URL. With the help of this unique webhook URL, we're going to create a connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply copy this URL from here. After copying the URL, I'm going to connect my Pabbly Connect account to IndiaMART. Okay, for that, log into your IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account. As you can see right over here, I want to connect this account to Pabbly Connect. In order to do that, from the left side of the panel, go to the lead manager option right over here. As you go to do that, you'll be landed towards the lead manager page. On the top left corner, it says menu. Go to that option. Under menu, go to import and export leads. After that, go to push API right over here. Then you will be landed towards the API page right over here. It is asking for you to select the source first. As the given source is not provided in the drop down, select the source over here as other. It is asking for the source name, that is the platform name and the URLs. For the source name, I'm going to enter the source name that I have. So this is my source name, and for the URL, I'm going to paste the webhook URL that Pabbly Connect has provided us. After giving the source name and the URL, click on the Save Details button. It is asking for the reason why we're creating this API. Select the random reason from the drop down and click on this button right over here. As I've done that, you can see the webhook is now been successfully added to my IndiaMART account. As the webhook is now been successfully added, if I'm going to go back to my workflow and scroll down, you can see it is saying waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether IndiaMART is connected to Pabbly Connect or not successfully, what I'm going to do is I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of IndiaMART. And after generating the test lead, I'm going to check whether Pabbly Connect captures a response of the test lead being generated or not. Okay. For generating the test lead, I'm going to log into the user account of my IndiaMART. So this is my IndiaMART's user account, and now I'm going to generate a test lead with the help of this account. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to search for the product with the help of which I'm going to generate the test lead. I have created a dummy product, so I'm going to search for it. Okay. So this is a dummy product that I've created. I'm going to select it. To generate the test lead, I'm going to click on this contact supplier button. It is asking for the inquiry, the message that we have. So the dummy inquiry over here, I'm going to write it as. So this is a dummy inquiry that I have. Interested in bulk supply of stainless steel sheets. Looking for high quality durable materials for industrial use. So this is the message that I have. I'm going to click on the submit button over here. It is asking for the company name. So with the company name over here, I'm going to write it as test company. Okay. Then I'm going to click on the submit button. As you can see over here, it says your details are sent. This means the test lead has now been generated. Now I'm going to open my Pabbly Connect workflow that I've created and check whether Pabbly Connect has captured the response of this test lead being generated or not. For that, I'm going to open the workflow that I've created. So this is the workflow, and if I'm going to scroll down, you can see right over here, Pabbly Connect has captured the response of the test lead being generated. In the response, we have received the query ID. You can see right over here, the status comes over here as success. For the subject is right over here. You can see this is dummy subject right over here. State comes as Madhya Pradesh. Name of the lead comes as Angel. For the phone number of the lead, the dummy mobile number over here. For the email as testuser@pabblytudes.com, country as IN, that is India, company as test company, city as Bhopal, address as Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. If I'm going to further scroll down, you can see for the product name, the dummy product name that we have created, and for the message, that is the inquiry, we have received the dummy message. It says interested in bulk supply of stainless steel sheets. Looking for high quality durable materials for industrial uses. So the same inquiry that we have generated using our user account has been captured in the response with the other details. As the response of the lead generated has been captured, this means that IndiaMART is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect and our trigger setup is done. Now, whenever a new lead is going to be generated by the potential clients with the help of IndiaMART, automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response of that. After setting up our trigger step, we need to set up our action step. As our objective is that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated with the help of IndiaMART, automatically towards the lead, I want to send a WhatsApp message. And how I'm going to send a WhatsApp message? With the help of AI Sensei. As with the help of AI Sensei, I have created this message template, and I will be using this message template for sending messages to the leads that are generated. Now, in order to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to set up our action step. And for the action application over here, I'm going to select it as AI Sensei. I'm going to select my action application as AI Sensei. After select my action application as AI Sensei, for the action event, I'm going to select as send template message. As I've already told you, I have created a template over here. And with the help of this template, I will be forwarding messages to my customers' leads that are generated. Okay, let's go to the template. The name of the template is Prime Lead IndiaMART. This is the name of the template. It says hello. Next to hello, you can see it says leads name. What is this? This is a variable right over here. In place of this variable, I want the value of the lead's name. That is why I've created this dynamic field in this template so that the lead's name is going to be changed according to the new lead being generated, as I want to send a personalized WhatsApp message towards my leads. Okay. Then it says, thank you for reaching out to Prime Metals and Alloys. This is the name of my business on IndiaMART. We are thrilled to connect with you. At Prime Metals and Alloys, we specialize in providing premium metal alloys and materials that meet the highest quality standards. Whether you're looking for high-grade steel, specialized aluminum alloys, copper products, or tailored solutions, we got it covered. Feel free to share any specific needs and questions you might have, and we're glad to assist you personally. Let's make your next project success together. Looking forward to working with you. Warm regards, demo user, sales manager, the dummy details right over here, okay? As this is a message, the template that I've created, I'm going to send this template as a message towards my leads. Okay, so now let us complete our action step. Our action application and action event is selected, and I'm going to click on this connect button. A window is going to appear in front of you, on which click on add new connection, or else you can select the existing connection. After clicking on add new connection over here, it is asking for the API key. With the help of this API key, we're going to build a connection between WhatsApp by AISNC and Pabbly Connect by following the steps given here below in the help text. What you're going to do is open your AISNC account. So this is my AISNC account. And now what I want is I want the API key. For that, from the left side of the panel, go to the manage option. After coming to manage, under manage, go to this API key section. This is the key, copied from here and paste it over here in your workflow that you're creating, and then click on the save button. Okay. As you're going to do that, WhatsApp by AISNC is now connected to Pabbly Connect. After connecting, it is asking for the campaign name. In order to send the template that you have created using AI Sensi as a message, you have to create a campaign of that template that you have created. So in order to create the campaign, log into your AI Sensi account again. This is my AI Sensi account. This is the template. Now we're going to create a campaign for this template. For that, from the left side of the panel, go to the campaign section. As you're going to go to the campaign section, on the top right corner, it says launch. Click on this button right over here. It is asking for us to select the campaign type. Select it as API campaign. It is asking for the campaign name. So the campaign name over here, I'm going to write it as Prime Metals and Alloys Message. Okay, so this is the name of my campaign that I have. And for the template over here, I'm going to select it as the template that I've created. That is Prime Lead IndiaMART. Okay, so this is a template that I've created. After giving the name to the campaign and selecting the template, click on Set Live button and go to Campaign button. As you're going to do that, you can see right over here, the campaign has now been successfully created. As the campaign is created for this message template right over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this name of this campaign from here and paste it in my workflow for the campaign name field. So this is the campaign name. I've pasted it right over here. You have to exactly paste the campaign name, okay? After that, it is asking for the mobile number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. As I want to send a WhatsApp message to the new lead being generated in our IndiaMART account, so what I'm going to do is, for the data of the mobile number, I'm going to map the data. What is mapping? Mapping means inserting data from the previous step. So we're going to insert the data from the previous step of this workflow. And how mapping works is, as soon as you're going to click on this field, you can see this was the previous step, that is IndiaMART new leads. As you're going to click on it, this was the same response that was captured in our previous step. It is asking for the mobile number to whom we want to send a WhatsApp message to. I want to send a WhatsApp message towards the lead. So over here in the response, I have received the data of the mobile number of my lead. So I'm going to search for it. This is the mobile number of my lead. So from my pre-response, I'm going to select the data of this mobile number of my lead that is generated using IndiaMART. As I selected the data from my pre-response, the data is mapped. And as I map the data has now become dynamic. That means whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, automatically the new data is going to be updated in place of this mapped data. So that is why I map the data of the mobile number right over here, okay? After that, it is asking for the username. Enter the name of the user to whom we want to send this campaign to as a message. I want to send this campaign as a message towards my leads. For the username over here, I'm going to search for the name of my lead. So this is the name of my lead. I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead, okay? After that, it is asking for the source and the tags. I do not require the field, so I'm going to skip the part. Next, it is asking for the template parameter. Template parameter is the field in which you're going to enter the value of the variables that you have created in this template. So I've created a single variable. You can see this is the variable one for my lead's name. I've created the single variable in this template. I want to enter the value of the lead's name in place of this variable. So for doing that, we are going to enter the value in this field template parameter, okay? So we have, I want to enter the name of my lead's name. So I'm going to search for the name of my lead. So this is the name. I'm going to map the data of the name of my lead for the value of the variable that I've created. If you have created more than one variable in this template, then what you can do is, in order to enter the value of the other variables, over here to enter a comma and a space, and then you can continue adding the value of the other variables that you have created in your template, okay? After entering the value of the variable, it is asking for the attributes URL in the file name. I do not require these fields, so I'm going to skip the part. After filling in all the required details, I'm going to click on the Save and Send Test Request button. As I'm going to do that, we're going to receive a response right over here, which is a positive response. So now I'm going to open my WhatsApp and check whether I have received a new WhatsApp message or not. For that, I'm going to open my WhatsApp. And yes, you can see right over here, I have received a new WhatsApp message. It says, "Hello, Angel." This was the name of the lead that was generated. You can see right over here. And this is the same message template that we have created using AI Sensei has been forwarded as a WhatsApp message on my number. As the WhatsApp message has now been successfully forwarded, this means that we have successfully created an automation between IndiaMART and AI Sensei with the help of Pabbly Connect. So now to sum up till now what we have done, I am an owner of a metals and alloys business and I receive a lot of leads and inquiries for my business with the help of IndiaMART. I wanted was that as soon as a new lead is going to be generated for my business using IndiaMART, automatically towards lead, I wanted to send a WhatsApp message. Now, sending these messages manually was very time consuming. So, what I did was I simply automated this entire process with the help of Pabbly Connect, in which I've created a connection between IndiaMART and WhatsApp by AI Sensei. Okay, so this is how you create this amazing automation between these two applications. So, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Hit on the like button, comment down below if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video. Not just with these applications, you can create automation between multiple other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any questions, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can check the queries on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, then you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, hit on the like button, comment on if you have any questions or doubts, and please share this video.